Jonathan Moyo said. PF was destroyed. The real president of Zimbabwe is General Chawinga. Former Higher, Tertiary Science and Technology Minister Jonathan Moyo claims that ZANU-PF is destroyed. Moyo says, thanks to Chawinga's coup, ZANU-PF has gone with President Mugabe. The elephant in the room at State House in Zimbabwe is that thanks to Chawinga's coup, ZANU-PF has gone with President Mugabe. Yes, ZANU-PF was destroyed. The real ruling party is now ZDF. While Mnangagwa was the head of state, the real president is General Chawinga. If you have a 37-year-old battered car with termite-infested seats, worn-out tires and a knocked engine called ZANU-PF after 37 years of poor service by Stadtholder Garage, who claimed to own the car, whose experienced driver is 93 years old, would you replace the driver or the car?
Yeah.